In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress template. Editing your WordPress template is an easy and effective way to give your website the look and feel that you desire. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned web developer, WordPress provides an intuitive interface that allows you to customize your site's appearance with a few clicks. Let's dive in and explore how you can edit your WordPress template to make your site stand out. Start by navigating to wordpress.com. This site is your gateway to creating, managing, and personalizing your WordPress website. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll notice an option to log in. Click on this to begin the process of accessing your WordPress dashboard, where all the magic happens. For those of you who have connected your Google account to WordPress, you can streamline your login process by clicking on Continue with Google. This option will lead you to a page where you can choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the account you've associated with your WordPress site, and you'll be one step closer to editing your template. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to click on Continue to finalize the login process. This action seamlessly integrates your Google credentials with WordPress, making future logins quicker and more secure. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the My Home section of your WordPress dashboard. This area provides a comprehensive overview of your site's administrative options. To get a real-time view of your website, click on View Site. This action will take you to the front end of your site as seen by your visitors. Now it's time to dive into the editing phase. Look for an option titled Edit Site. Clicking on this will transition you to the WordPress site editor, a powerful tool that allows you to customize various aspects of your website's appearance. From here you can modify elements such as the template, content, header, and footer of your site. Let's focus on the template first. The template determines the overall layout and structure of your website, affecting how content is organized and displayed to your visitors. By selecting the template option, you can explore different layouts that WordPress offers, enabling you to choose one that best suits your site's purpose and aesthetic. Next, we'll turn our attention to the content of your site. Content is the heart of your website, encompassing everything from text and images to videos and links. Editing your site's content allows you to tailor the information and multimedia elements to better engage your audience and convey your message. Don't overlook the importance of your site's header and footer. The header is often the first thing visitors will see, containing your site's title, navigation menu, and possibly a search bar or social media icons. Conversely, the footer appears at the bottom of each page and often includes contact information, quick links, and copyright statements. Customizing these elements can tremendously improve the usability and aesthetic of your site. Finally, let's explore the design options available in WordPress. By clicking on Design, you'll unlock a wide range of customization features that can transform your site's appearance. From choosing color schemes and font styles to adjusting layout and spacing, the design features empower you to create a unique and visually appealing website that reflects your brand and personality. Editing your WordPress template is not just about making cosmetic changes, it's about enhancing your site's functionality and user experience. As you become familiar with the site editor and various customization options, you'll discover endless possibilities for personalizing your website. Experiment with different templates, content arrangements, and design elements to find the perfect combination that represents your vision. Remember, editing your WordPress template is an ongoing process. As your site grows and evolves, so too will your design needs. Feel free to revisit and revise your template and content to ensure your website remains relevant, engaging, and reflective of your current goals. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's look or overhaul its structure entirely, WordPress provides the tools and flexibility you need to achieve your vision. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance the appearance of your website, but also improve its navigation and usability, making for a more pleasant and effective online presence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to edit your WordPress template. Your website is a representation of your creativity and professionalism. With the skills you've learned today, you're well equipped to customize your WordPress site to perfection. Happy editing!